Hi there, for today's reading activity, I'm going to need you to write today's date, 1/26/21, in the title, Reading. Go ahead and pause the video so you can do this. All right, so what I'm going to need you to do is, I'm going to need you to write a alliteration sentence using your name. So remember, alliteration is two or more words that are close by in a sentence that start with the same sound or letter. For example, I showed you this earlier. You're not going to write this. This is my name, my example. I'm just showing you, okay? You're going to do this with your name. My last name is Magoni. Makes some muffins. This is my example. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your name. So if your name is Todd, you'd put Todd here. Alice, Alice. My last name is Magoni, so I'm going to use Magoni. You're going to use your name. You're not writing this. I'm just showing you. So right here. So Magoni. That's the letter I'm focusing on. M. Magoni makes muffins. So let's see if that sentence works. Do I have two or more words that start with the same letter or sound? I do. M. Right? So is this an example of an alliteration sentence? It is. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to get your name and make an alliteration sentence. All right? Just think back to the examples I showed you earlier. If you need to, go ahead and watch those videos. But that's what you're going to do for today's reading activity.